Good morning, everybody. Beautiful morning today. Today I wake up early and I feel like, wow, I feel so energized. Not like some days when you're feeling lazy. And then I thought, hey, I'm gonna make a video about laziness. So here it is. Let's talk about laziness. So, what is laziness? If you go online and Google it, the definition of laziness would be something like this: it's unwillingness to work, unwillingness to expend energy, idleness, or when they talk about a person who is lazy, they would describe him like somebody who's not energetic, somebody who's moving slowly, lazy, like who doesn't really want to expend energy. So the key word here in this whole definition, if you can read between the lines, is energy. Okay, so this is what I want you to do next time you ask yourself, am I being lazy? Okay, I want you to ask yourself several questions to understand, are you really lazy or not? And of course I'm going to tell you that laziness does not exist in essence. It's just a concept that people came up with, to actually, I feel like it's been invented to make you do certain things when you're not willing to do so. But the question is here, why? Why are you not willing to do something? Okay? And this definition, the word laziness, it's not concerning itself with why. It just call your name, okay? Like a stamp on your forehead. Boom, you're a lazy person. That's it. And you feel kind of bad usually because it's not a very good word. Usually it has this negative connotation to it. Okay? So let's get to questions then. Just ask yourself these 5 questions. Okay? First question, and first 3 actually, they're about energy. And the first one is about physical energy. Ask yourself, do I have physical energy to do this task right now? And use scaling from 0 to 10. Define your condition right now. Define your state. What is your physical state right now? How's your physical energy? Are you feeling energized or not? Define it. Let's say it's 6. You know, what are you trying to accomplish then? And then the next question would be, how about my mental energy? And what is mental energy? It's the energy of processing thoughts, thinking. It's about actually understanding some concepts, understanding why you're doing what you're doing normally. So, bon dia. Third question you want to ask yourself is emotional energy. How am I feeling emotionally? Are you drained? Are you unhappy? Are you sad? Or are you energized? Are you inspired? Are you happy? Are you joyful? Okay? These are completely different states. And you have to scale them, okay? Scale them from 0 to 10. Next question you would want to ask yourself is, am I overloading myself with something? Am I concentrating on too many tasks at once? You know that feeling when you feel like stuck almost? When you take too many tasks upon yourself? It's like you feel so overwhelmed that you just want to get rid of all that stuff. You don't want to do none of this stuff at all. And that's just because you took a little bit too much upon yourself. Maybe you need to let certain things go or re-energize yourself and focus more properly. So this is something that you need to ask yourself, okay? And the next one and final thing, final question, just ask yourself, why am I doing what I'm doing? What is the why? And this question is connected with motivation, because this is how we find our motivation, by asking the question, why? Why am I doing this? What am I getting out of this stuff? How is this good for me? How is it going to benefit me? How am I going to feel? Why? Why am I doing it? Okay? And a lot of times you're gonna find that you don't wanna do it. Okay? How you expect to be energetic about it? How you're gonna expect to expend energy on something if you don't wanna do it? Okay? It's counterintuitive. You're just burning and wasting energy on something. And the funny part is, a lot of times, it's not that you don't want to do something particular, it's when you want to do it. And that's why the first three questions come into play also a lot. So ask yourself, do I have any energy? And if you don't have the energy, then maybe the answer is clear for you. If at least in one of the first three questions you you check your energy and you find yourself, let's say, below 5, or at 5, even if it's half the energy, you need to drop everything, absolutely everything. There's no point of you doing anything. It's just the mess, and you're gonna drain yourself even more. So what you gotta do is just you need to find uh, which type of energy you're lacking, and you ask yourself, how can you actually replenish this stuff right now? Find a way to replenish it, and do that first thing. Maybe it's just emotional energy that's lacking. Maybe physical is fine and mental is fine, but emotionally you're just not happy. Make yourself happy. Go get an ice cream. I don't know. Watch some movie. Go look. Go look in the store for something that you like. I don't know. Have a walk. Something that makes you feel more enjoyable. Nature is always helping. So go to park. Enjoy beauty. Find something beautiful. Lift yourself up a little bit, and that's it. Same thing with physical energy. Get some sleep. Mental energy, the same thing. Just recharge, meditate, do whatever needs to be done, but replenish that energy. Okay. So what I want you to understand is that laziness does not really exist, and stop calling yourself lazy. It really sucks, because when you call yourself lazy, usually you feel guilty. It comes with guilt, and guilt is a really negative state, so it puts you down even more, so it emotionally drains you just because you call yourself lazy. So stop calling yourself lazy. Okay? It doesn't exist. Just check your energy levels, understand if you lack motivation or not, and fix those things. That's it. And your tasks most likely are going to be accomplished. Unless you, of course, decide that you don't even want to do this task and it's totally pointless for you, which also happens a lot to me. Well, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. I'll see you next time. Ciao.